Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Williams. Today what we're going to do is take a look at an article that teaches you how to make a smoothie. And in this video you'll learn about how some writers like to write things step by step to teach you how to make something or how to do something. So let's take a look at the article here. It's how to make a classic smoothie. A fruit smoothie is a special treat. It is easy to make too. You will need to prepare the fruit and put it in the freezer at least 2 hours before you make the smoothie. So notice that the author of this article gives you an important tip and what to do with the fruit before you even try to make the smoothie. It's got to go in the freezer at least 2 hours before you make the smoothie. Okay, now when you write a how-to book or a how-to article, you'll need a list of things for the reader to go get and make sure that they include it. In this case, we're making something that you can eat or drink, so you will need the ingredient to your recipe. You need a blender, a knife, 1 plate, drinking glasses, straws, which are optional, which tells the reader that you don't really need straws. I'm inferring that the straws are there in case that's what you want to use to drink it with. 1 cup orange juice, 1 cup fresh strawberries, 2 fresh bananas. Here's how to make it. Now notice here that the author of this how-to book tells you step by step using numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1 tells you what to do first. At least 2 hours before you want to make the smoothie, wash the strawberries, take out the stems, and cut the strawberries into quarters. That means into 4 equal parts, like this picture here. Put them on a plate in the freezer. Here is step number 2. Here's what you do next. Peel and slice the bananas and put them on a plate in the freezer. Number 3. When you are ready to make the smoothie, pour the orange juice into a blender. This is a special machine that will mix it up and make it really smooth. Number 4. Add the strawberries and bananas. Number 5. Blend until smooth. Number 6. Pour into glasses, add straws, and enjoy. So notice that the author put an exclamation point at the end because the author wants you to feel excited about making a smoothie. So there you have it. If you want to teach someone how to do something or how to make something, make a list of things that you will need and tell step by step how to make it or how to do it. For example, you could write a how-to book on, for example, how to make a peanut butter sandwich. Anybody know how to do that? Or maybe you want to teach someone how to play jump rope. Then you would have to tell step by step what to do to play jump rope. So, on your own, be creative, make a list of things you need, and write step by step what you need to do to make or to do something. Okay, see you next time.